What's the meaning of Cointreau? Cointreau. Cointreau.
Cointreau. Cointreau. Cointreau is a type of clear, triple-sec liqueur made from sweet and bitter orange peels. It originated in France in the mid-19th century and has become a popular ingredient in many cocktails. Cointreau has a strong, orange flavor that is complemented by a subtle sweetness and a hint of bitterness. The liqueur is often used as a base for margaritas and cosmopolitans, and it can also be enjoyed on its own chilled or over ice. Overall, Cointreau is a versatile and flavorful liqueur that adds a touch of sophistication to any cocktail.